This is a duck. Do you know what a duck says? A duck says, quack, quack. My duck is very sad. Its pond has drained out, but my duck wants to swim. Help the duck by filling the pond. To fill the pond, keep tapping on the cloud until the pond is full. Thank you. The duck can swim now. This is my horse. What does a horse say? My horse says, neigh, all day long. Oh no, my horse is hungry. Can you help me feed him? Excellent. The horse is not hungry anymore. But we do need to get more food before he gets hungry again. Load 4 hay bales on the trailer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Thank you for your help. Oh, the horse is hungry again. Can you feed him the hay we've got? Good work. My horse is happy now.